How are you? Hope you have a nice day. For today's recipe, we'll make a 3 milk pancake, and the ingredients are 4 eggs XL, 225 grams of sugar, 120 grams of wet flour, 150 milliliters of liquid cream, 150 milliliters of evaporated milk, 150 milliliters of condensed milk, 40 milliliters of water, and 20 grams of icing sugar. We start the recipe with sponge cakes, which needs to be cool to be soaked in the milk and decorate. We divide the sugar in two, one on the hand 120 grams that we will use for the sponge cakes and on the other 130 grams that we will use it for the meringue. We use it later. We preheat the oven to 160 degrees centigrade with heat up and down. We separate the whites from the yolks. We bake the whites better if you can with the electric rods because it takes time and we will save the fort. When they start to frown, add half a sugar letting in it fall in the form of rain and without stopping beating. When the roads rank and lined in the whites, but they are not hard, we stop beating and reserve. We beat the yolks together with the rest of the sugar. The color will change and they will turn pale. This is what called bleaching. They also increase in volume by the amount of air incorporated and we come the whites we stop beating when the rods draw a line on the yolks. Set the float and add the baking yolks little by little, alternate with the ice. We remove the cake from the oven and let it cool before molding. 1 ounce cool with prepared the mixture with which to wet the cake. Is it as simple as mixing of 3 types of milk in the tape container? Stirring well with a fair rod. We put the cake in the mold, which we can light inside with a vegetable paper or cleaning film or not. Everything will depend on how thick is the closer of the mold is, or is 100 relatively. So we have now cleaned it, but if you soften that, yours may like some liquid if the best to line it.